Favorite part of this job for me, changing people's way they feel about themselves. This hair system saved the day. Hair systems look fantastic. You can bond them with adhesive or adhesive tape, and they can last attached for up to 4 weeks. So if you're to look at the bad side of hair systems, they don't last forever. Hair systems are fallible, but if you teach the clients how to maintain them, most of my clients get 10 months out of a hair system, so the value is excellent. I always say 2 hair systems to everybody, so I don't disappoint them, but 10 months is what you can expect from a hair system. Favorite part of this job for me is changing people's way they feel about themselves. Welcome to the Hairman. Phil the Hairman, I call myself. 1993 I went ahead with hair system with a big company.
These wig transformations can be a game changer for those who suffer from hair loss.
I used to play sport for a living, and then I had a back injury and I had to find something else to do, so I thought, why not hair systems? From 1993 to 2003 I worked in retail, and then I opened Hair for All. But it's crucial you teach people how to self-maintain, how to look after a hair system. Because the easy part for me is to create a look that looks natural. That's very easy. It's the maintenance side of it. So you have to train people to make sure they know what they're doing. Quality hair systems can make people feel so much better about themselves. You've only got to look at that for sure. Definitely, I have made the right decision.
Phil is on a mission to give a new lease on life to those who experienced hair loss, and the results can speak for themselves.
What else can I say? Hair systems are fantastic. Our hair systems are great quality. Why are we different? Probably my 30 years experience, and I implement that into my staff, and it's crucial to teach clients how to self-maintain. I think I've brought that up many times now, because that is the Achilles heel of hair replacement. Many people can create good hair systems, but can they teach their clients how to maintain? If you teach a client how to self-maintain or look after the hair systems correctly, then they're going to be a client happy and stay a client.
Man, that's some great work that Phil's doing over there, giving people a fresh look and a boost to their confidence. It's amazing to see how real and natural it looks as well. If old man genetics comes for me, it's good to know exactly who to call. And a massive thanks to Phil the Hairman for sitting down with us for that exclusive chat about how the procedure works and the impact it can have on others. He really is doing God's work by thankfully reversing God's work. How about we finish today with some facts about hair loss? Male pattern baldness, or androgenetic alopecia, is the most common type of hair loss in men, with 1 in 5 men in their 20s and 1 in 3 men in their 30s and 1 in 2 men in their 40s being affected by it. Moreover, it's typically a hereditary condition, and there's very little that can be done to actually prevent it, although there are steps that can be taken to slow the process down. Even some things you could do right now could save your hair, such as changing to a healthier diet and switching to a gentler shampoo, to more extreme measures such as minoxidil, or what you might know as Rogaine. The most common solutions to this are either a hair transplant by extracting donor hair from the back of the head to thickening receding areas, or a hair system like that offered by Phil and his team. But what do you make of this? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and if you have any videos of your own you'd like to share, be sure to send them in, and as always, thanks so much for watching The Tradesman.